only about 700, not 5. And it could be in that Quadrajet too. I do have a new one. The water temperature gauge is not working. Some days it'll work, sometimes it does that. But the fuel gauge works and the temperature, or I'm sorry, the volt gauge there works. Buzzer works. Wipers work. Of course, the headlights work. All the signal lights work. And even the light in there works. The dash right here, he wiped it with some Armor All or something, and it dulled the original finish. So I'm told you can get the original colored dye and maybe brush it or just something to, because the dash is original. Man, it's not cracked at all. It's in perfect shape. There's a little bit of dirt from people riding in it, you know, but the carpet itself is in really good shape. Of course, the title here is, last 4 digits are 8375. The windows, power windows work good. All that. Shuts nice. Don't gotta slam it or anything crazy. Yeah, the car itself is very nice. The rear defroster does work. My friend that does the paint correction, he was just going to come out and buff it and fix any areas that need fixed. The grills are in really good shape. Headlight buckets are in good shape. I'll show you this down here. That was what he was going to fix. I think somebody rubbed up against it right here. You can see that. But it's down low. You really don't see it, but he was going to repair it anyway. Yeah, the interior is just super nice on it. It's very impressive. Of course, the tag lights and all that work good. No dings or anything on the car at all. It's a very straight car. You just know how black is. You know, you see little scratches and whatnot from somebody maybe wiping a cloth across it when it was dusty or this or that. And there's one little mark on the hood right there he was gonna touch up. But there's the engine. And the startup issue, I guess, could be the mechanical fuel pump not holding a prime too, but the carburetor is one of those Edelbrock Quadrajets, and I've read online that a lot of people didn't like those just because of hard starts with choke issues and whatnot. So I was going to put a regular Quadrajet back on it and ditch the Edelbrock, but it's very clean under there, and I'll definitely send you a picture of the number on it and all that. But yeah, like I say, it's a very good car. Just I was hoping to have the few small little things that it needed touched up beforehand. Look under here. Very clean. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but really clean car for sure. Okay, now we're in the trunk area where it has the original style spare there. You know, I mean, all the corners and everything. Trunk pan itself is in excellent shape with no issues at all. Very clean. Even the trunk light itself works, and everything's super clean. There was a little paint chip on the steering wheel he was going to touch up as well. Like I say, overall it's a really nice car. No serious issues of any kind. Just the only things I was going to do is get the bumper touched up over there and kind of get the carburetor to where it starts easier, because once it warms up it's great, but there's just something not quite right with that Edelbrock Quadrajet. But if you deal with these cars a lot, that's stuff you can do in-house with, you know, no problems. But anyway, I hope this video helps you, and anyway, have a good evening, Fred.